What's the best Jamaican restaurant in Tampa? We asked you this question and more. Here are the results of the best of Jamaica in the Tampa area.
So now we're taking you to Tampa, and here are the results. What is the best local Jamaican patty shop and bakery in Tampa? And you said Golden Cross. Where is the best place to buy Jamaican groceries in Tampa? You said the Caribbean Trade. And we asked, what is the best Jamaican restaurant in Tampa? And you said Jerk Hut Island Grill and Beach Club. We asked, what is the best event that you attended in Tampa this year? And you said the Reggae Rise Up Florida Festival. Congrats to all the winners in Tampa.